Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to answer a viewer's question. One of my viewers, Dave, actually asked me, can you edit a user program? Now, not a user set, a user program. And the answer to that is kind of yes and no. There's no software that you can load to edit it. However, you can change it on the accordion. Now, there's a couple interesting things. Now, if you remember, a user program, you can have 1A, 1B, all the way up to 4A, 4B. So you have 8 of these. And I'm just going to do a quick little demo. At least my fingers are crossed that it's going to be a quick little video on how to do that. So the first thing I want to do is create a user program. So before you wipe anything out, you should save it. I already have my user program saved, so it's okay if they go away. So first I'm going to create one. Well, first I have to turn the accordion on to be able to create one. And I'm just going to use the startup set because I just want to do something fairly simple here. Okay, so first we're going to, and I think I'll put it in 1A and 2A so we can switch back and forth while we're playing. Okay, so first thing I want to do is change the bass. Okay, we'll keep that one. And I guess we'll do 3A. So we'll have that kind of going. Okay. All right. Now, I think I want to do an orchestral. So I think, actually, I think what I want to do for this song is, okay, 1A on orchestral is that. I think I'm going to keep that. I'm going to keep the accordion master, and I'm going to put it in dual mode. So right now I have orchestral on, so I have it in dual mode. So okay, so I go, you know what, I like that. I'm going to put that in my user program. So to do that, and this really isn't a video for that, but to do that, you're going to hold, let me just get up here so you can see. You're going to hold the user program. It's going to flash up on top, and I select 1A. So I want to put it in 1A. So I select it. So that's now 1A. So if I come out of there and do something else, take this stuff off. If I go into user program and select 1A, helps if you hit the right notes. So there that is. Okay, so I like that. But you know what? I think I would like it. I would like to edit it. Okay? So to edit that, you're going to hold the user program button in. And what's going to happen is it's going to start flashing up on top. And I think I'm going to switch cameras here as soon as I'm done with this so you can actually see what is flashing. Because it's just a little user program that's flashing. So let's say I want to change that, and I'm going to change the octave. So there's the octave. I put the octave down. Now I want to save that somewhere else. So I'm going to hold the button, and it's starting to flash U1A. Well, I want to put it in 2A. So So now I have 2A up here. I'm going to hit the select to select that location. So now 2A, 1A, hopefully you can hear that that's down. So if I'm playing, so I can switch between. So the key is when you're in whatever user program you want and you want to edit it. Quick video, let me switch cameras so you can actually see what I'm doing and what's happening up on top. Okay, so I'm going to kind of go through this because it's kind of interesting and the manual's not very good at this, but it's going to be important for you to watch what's happening up here. So if I've already gone through and I've put in U1, okay, so if I go to user program 1A, there's 1A. If I want to edit this guy, okay, you hold the user program. Now watch what happens here. Do you see that flashing? I held the user program button. That started flashing. What's loaded in here is user program 1A. So if I wanted to change something, whatever that is, let's say change the octave, okay, which is what I did in the demo. There it is. I've changed the octave. Now, if I want to save this, I again hold user program. It's flashing. Where do I want to put it? I put it in 2A. So I go here. It's 2A. That's where I want it to be. I hit select. Now, 1A is whatever sounds you had, whatever 1A was. And then if I hit user program 2A, in this case, the octave is down one. So that's what it looks like here. And that's how you edit. That's how you edit a user program on the accordion itself. I'm back with the accordion. And again, if I turn this on and have it come up, if I go to user programs, go to 1A, there that is. There that is. Go to 2A. I'm going to switch to 1A and listen to the bass. There should be zero change because the octave was on the treble side. See, nothing. It's the exact same. So if you're setting up some music here, you could be playing and then go to an octave higher or lower, or do whatever, add drums. You could do different drums. There's just so much you could do, but that's how you actually edit the user program on here. Hopefully the video showing you what was flashing, that's the key. Otherwise, it's just not going to work for you. Anyway, if you haven't already done so, please hit the like and subscribe. I am trying to get to 1,000 viewers, or 1,000 subscribers. So that would be like a milestone for me. But anyway, keep playing.